In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook username using your phone. A username gives your profile a custom link that people can use to easily find you on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on your profile picture to go to your profile page. On your profile, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. After that, scroll down until you see the option called Username. Tap on Username to open the settings. Now you can type the username you want to use. Try to choose a name that is simple, easy to remember, and related to your name or brand. As you type, Facebook will check if the username is available. If the name is already taken, you will need to try a different one. When you find a username that is available, tap Save or Done to confirm it. Your profile will now have a unique username, which also creates a custom link that people can use to visit your profile directly. You can share this link with others so they can easily find you on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.